Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Progressive Realtors Insurance how to change address. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change your address of Progressive Realtors Insurance, first what you need to do is prepare your policy information by having your policy number handy. Know your new address and the date you want to change to take effect. Check if your new resident changes your covered needs as well. The next is to simply head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar type in organization.Com and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and navigate to policies. Then inside policies, select manage policy. Then next is to select update policy. Then inside, select change address or similar option for renters insurance. Then next is to enter your new address and the effective date. Then simply review changes and make sure coverage amounts and premiums are still appropriate. Then next is to submit the change and you should receive a confirmation via email as well. If that doesn't work, you can always call the customer service number on the given screen and provide your policy number or a new address and effective date. Confirm that your coverage is valid at the new address and ask if premium adjustments are needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.